Hi, this is Pawanji Singh from Dream Design Institute. Today we will discuss about cutting with boundary in nxcam. First of all, create this part in your software. After that, go to File for Manufacturing, go to Manufacturing or Control plus Alt plus M, enter, or click on Manufacturing. After that, go to Operation Navigator. In the blank space, right click, then go to Geometry View, click on the symbol, a plus symbol, then click, then left click on workpiece, go to specify part, click on select, click on there, then click on OK. Go to there, specify blank, click on select, go to there and choose bounding block. Go to there and untick display blank, then click on OK. Then click on OK. Click on create tool or go to menu, insert, go to tool or right click on workpiece, go to insert, go to tool, click on this icon or click on create tool. Click on milling, then click on OK. Fill the diameter if you know. If you don't know, then just click on OK. If you know, then click on fill the data with, then click on OK. All diameter data will shown and fill the data. Click on this icon, then click on OK. Then click on cancel. Now right click and click on machine tool view, then all cutter will shown. If you want to edit or verify, right click on this icon, click on edit, you can modify the cutter parameter. If you want to change, then fill the data. All thing will change, then click on OK. Click on yes. Now right click in the operation navigator, then go to geometry view. After that, create operation, click on there or click on menu, go to insert, go to operation or right click on workpiece, go to insert, go to operation, go to first operation cavity mill, there choose cutter, choose geometry method rough, then click on OK. Now by default just generate it will generate by default setting. This is cutter path, just click on verify, decrease the speed, then click on play. By default setting, this is the result, but if you want cutter will cut only this portion, then you can create boundary. Just click stop, click on OK, go to geometry. Go to specify trim boundary, click on there. Now there are option, you can selection with the help of face or curve. First option, select face, just simple click on face. Now there are two options, inside or outside. First I choose inside, then click on OK. Then click on generate. If you choose inside option, then cutting will not inside. Cutter perform outside of the boundary. Just check the cutter parameter, sorry, path. This is the cutter path. No cutter path in the inside. This is the trim boundary. This is the boundary, and the inside no cutter path. Just click on verify, click on play. But if you want to cut inside, then just click on there, select. If you want to edit also, click on there, or choose outside option from side trimmed up, then click on OK. Click on generate. Now cutter path generate only inside option, because I choose outside boundary, and in outside boundary cutter path will not generate from of outside. Just click on verify, click on 3 dynamic, click on reset, click on play. You can choose, you can use this option for clamping also. If you want to, cutter will not go from outside or any another face, desired face, then you can choose this option. Now turn for next option, click on there. Click on reset. If you want to remove, click on there. Click on there. In this option, click on delete, remove. Now go to selection method, go to curve. Now click on there. If you choose a single curve, then it will select only single curve. If you want to select all curve, then choose this option. And if you want to select tangent curve, then just option this. I want to choose this connected curve. Just click on this option. If I choose in the curve option tangent, now there choose inside or outside, then click on OK. Generate. Then click on verify. This option is very useful during clamping. When you suppose clamp will there, then you can give boundary, then cutter will not go on there. So use this option, trim boundary. Now turn for next option. Now click on there, click remove. If you want to select only face, just click on there, specify cut area, go to there, in this filter choose tangent face. If you click on just single face, it will select by single click, but there are so many face, so click on there, click on tangent face, just click on there, all face will select. If you click on there, it will also select. Then click on just OK. Then click on generate. Then click on play, verify. Then click on 3D dynamic, click on reset, click on play. Now watch, it will cut with the level base. If you want to click depth first, then just click on stop, then click on OK. Click on main, click on cutting, and choose their depth first option. Click on generate. Now cutter will cut according to depth. Click on verify, click on play. it will cut all. After that it will cut again this part, so it will reduce cutting time, sorry. If you learn from this video, then please like, subscribe and comment on this video. If you want to edit, just click on stop, click on OK, go to geometry, go to specify cut area, click on there, go to filter and choose tangent face, and just simply click on this option and check, then click on OK. Then click on generate. Click on verify, click on play. You can increase speed, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.